My name is Randy, and I support our design team as the new head of design at Notion.
Where did you grow up?
Oh, I grew up in the suburbs of Orlando, Florida. I love Disney World, which I think informed a lot of my love for well-considered and wholly designed experiences.
What was your first job?
My first job was answering tech support phone calls for a dial-up ISP, so helping people use the internet.
What is an abecedarium?
Abecedarium is, at its most simple form, a list of things in alphabetical order. I love them because it seems really rational, but you can put anything in alphabetical order, which means you can kind of surprise and delight depending on what you choose to put in the list.
What's your favorite letter of the alphabet?
I think I like J.
What is your least favorite letter of the alphabet?
I.
What advice would you give to a young designer?
I would give any young designer the advice to just try. Often, if we think too hard about it, we end up making judgments about what we think of something, but often if you try it, you'll discover something in the act of trying, and you might come to different conclusions than if you'd thought about it too hard in advance.
Awesome.